park, here we come!
Oh yeah, let's go! Look at this place!
Let's do it! I hope the movie's good. It will be!
That was incredible! Best movie ever! I agree, totally! Wow, this place is amazing!
I need a chili dog.
These look absolutely delicious. Let's go check out that ride. Wow, that was wild! You bet! Where to next?
Hello and welcome to the Twinkle Room.
Now we're talking! Wow, this place is amazing! I told you, you can't catch me! Oh, just you wait! Take that! Missed me! Looking good! Let's go! Wow, look at all this cool stuff!
I've got to get one of these.
I'll take it. Awesome! Hey guys, ready to race? I'm too fast! Thanks guys, we're actually gonna go. It's getting late. Yeah, let's head out. Bye! See you later! Man, tonight was so much fun.
Yeah, I'm really gonna miss this place. One last ride?
Alright, one last ride.
Welcome back. One last ride.
Welcome back!